Hi friends, please subscribe my channel and press bell icon.
Roman numbers. We use 10 basic number in our daily life. Those are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. They are also called Indo-Arabic numbers. And we have another system of numbers to represent numbers. They are called Roman numbers. Now see here Indo-Arabic numbers and Roman numbers. For example, in Indo-Arabic numbers we write 1 like this, like in Roman number I, 5 is equal to V, 10 is equal to X, 50 is equal to L, 100 is equal to C, 500 is equal to D, and 1000 is equal to M. And also observe that Roman numbers have no symbol to represent 0. Rules for Roman numbers. First one, any number to the right is added. For example, here we write VI. That means V means 5. I write in right side, so we are adding 1. Finally, we get 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. Now, second one, XII. That means X means 10. I write in right side of X, so that we adding 1 plus 1. So finally we get 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. Now second one, any number to the left is subtracted. That means, for example, here we write IV. That means V is equal to 5. I is right in left side. So here we subtracted. So that means I means 1. So 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. Now second one, XC. XC means in this one C is the highest number. So C is equal to 100. X is right in left side. X means 10. So that's why here we write 100 minus 10 is equal to 90. Now third one, see, V, L and D are not repeated. That means, for example, 10 is equal to we write X. Don't write VV. Now 100 is equal to we write C only. Don't write LL. 1000 is equal to here we write M only. Don't write DD. Now fourth one, no symbol should be repeated more than twice. That means, for example, here we write XXXV. Here we write X only 3 times. That means XXXV means 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus V means 5. So totally we get 35. Now see second one. For example, XXIII. For example, here we write X equal to 10 plus 10 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. Here we write 3 times only. Write the Roman numbers for. Here we given Hindu Arabic numbers. First one, 42. 42 means 40 plus 2. Now write 40 is equal to 50 minus 10 plus 2. So 50 minus 10 we write XL. That means 50 is equal to L minus 10. So minus 10 means 10 means X. So here minus is there. So write X in left side to L. So finally we write 42 is equal to XLII. Now second one, 57. 57 is equal to 50 plus 7. So already we know that 50 is equal to L. 7 means VII. So finally we write 57 is equal to LVII. Now third one, 64. 64 means we write 60 plus 4. So 60 is equal to here we write 50 plus 10, and 4 is equal to here we write 5 minus 1. So now write 50. So 50 plus 10 is equal to we write LX, 5 minus 1. So 5 minus 1 is equal to, we write 5 means V minus 1. So I write in left side to V. So finally we write 64 is equal to LXIV. Now fourth one, 95. Now 95 is equal to, we write 90 plus 5. So we know that 90 is equal to 100 minus 10, and 5 is as it is. So already we know that 100 minus 10 means we write so xc. Why? Because 100 is equal to c, 10 is equal to x, so minus is there, so x write in left side to c. So plus 5 means we write v. So finally we write 95 is equal to xcv. Now next 640. So 640 means 600 plus 40. So 600 means here we write 500 plus 100, and 40 means we write 50 minus 10. So 500 plus 100 means DC. Why? Because 500 means D plus 100. So 100 means we know that C. So C right in right side to D. Why? Because here plus is there. Next 50 minus 10. 50 minus 10 means here we write XL. Why? Because 50 is equal to L minus 10 means 10 is equal to X right in left side to L. So finally we get 640 is equal to DCXL. Now sixth one, 3100. 3100 is equal to 1000 plus 1000 plus 1000 plus 100. So 1000 is equal to M. So here we write M. 100 is equal to C. So finally we write 3100 is equal to C. Now next write the Hindu Arabic numbers for. Here we given Roman numbers. These are right in Hindu Arabic numbers. First one XV. So here x in these highest number is x. So x means 10. So v is right in right side to x. So v is equal to 5 is right plus. Why? Because for example xv, here x is equal to 10 plus v is right in right side, so we write plus 5. So 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. Now second one xl. Here in these highest number is L. L is equal to 50. X is right in left side. So here minus 10. So 50 minus 10 is equal to 40. Now third one LIV. In this highest number is L. L means 50. So already we know IV is equal to 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. So 50 plus 4 is equal to 54. Then after fourth one CXXIV. In these C is the highest number, so C is equal to 100. XX means so here right side writing, so we adding plus 10 and IV is equal to 5 minus 1. So 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. So finally we get it 100 plus 10 is equal to 120, and 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. Finally total answer is 124. Now fifth one MMCXII. In these M is the highest numbers, so M is equal to 1000 and plus 1000. C is equal to 100. X is equal to 10. I means we write 1 plus 1. So finally here we write 2112. So finally we write 2112. So now sixth one DXV. D means in these totally, here we observe in these highest number is D. D is equal to 500. X is equal to 10. V is equal to 5. Those are right in plus. Why? Because dxv. So xv is right side to d, so we write plus. So final answer is 515.